They say every day a new JS framework is born, but let me introduce you to Next.js, which gives every month new breaking changes and new Shaw core seller. Let's see what's new in this Next.js 15. So Next.js 15 now supports the React 19 release candidate. This means better performance and new capabilities for server-side and client-side rendering. Caching overhaul. Fetch request and route handlers are no longer cached by default. This gives you more control over your data fetching strategies. Partial pre-rendering. This experimental feature lets you blend static and dynamic rendering effortlessly. This code is a quick guide to see how you can implement partial pre-rendering in your project. It's just a simple line of code. Now let's see some detailed feature. What are actually coming to Next.js 15? This new React compiler, which is experimental, this new compiler can optimize your code without manual tweaks. Enable it by adding Babel plugin React compiler to your project. With this setup, your code gets automatic optimization during the build process. Now you can debug more efficiently with the clear messages in the Next.js 15. And if you're starting a new project, Create Next app has some cool updates now. You can use new flags for more controls. Now one of the coolest features of this Next.js 15 is Next After API. This allows you to execute code after response has finished streaming. It's perfect for logging, analytics, and any task that needs to run post-response. Here's an example of code, how you can use it in your project. Now let's see some breaking changes that will absolutely break the sweat of the Next.js core seller. Now the Next.js 15 requires minimum React 19 RC. The image component now uses Sharp instead of Squoosh, which might affect your build process. The default behavior around caching and dynamic routes have been updated, so don't forget to check the article, link is in the description, and you can read all the breaking changes on your screen from the official Vercel article. Now there must be a question in your mind if you should upgrade. You can consider some points like enhanced performance with React 19, more control over caching, seamless blend of static and dynamic content with PPR. Cutting edge tool like React compiler Next After API, it can actually help you in the more developer experience process. So this was a quick wrap of Next.js 15 release candidate. You can get more detail into the official article by Vercel, which link is in the description. Now you can comment your ideas that what you think about this Next.js 15.